To Groupon or not to Groupon? Yes, I would tell you the best way to save money is to decide first what activity you're going to do, then choose Groupon. To Groupon or not to Groupon? Yes, I would tell you the best way to save money is to decide first what activity you're going to do, then choose Groupon. Don't go to Groupon looking to save money, but you end up spending it when you really didn't need to. For instance, on our 20th anniversary, we were in Napa Valley and we were going to go see the Old Faithful geyser. No, not the real one that's at Yellowstone, but one that was at Calistoga, California, just a little one. On our way there, we start looking up coupons and found on Groupon we could save 40% as an activity that we were already planning to do. That's the way you want to use Groupon. Another example of using Groupon is we were going to take our daughter and a friend to the Georgia Aquarium already on a winter break. Looked for coupons, couldn't find any, checked Groupon, and we ended up being able to take 4 people for the price of 3 because of the way Groupon does it, even within a 24-hour notice. So this is the way you want to use Groupon, is decide what you're going to do, leverage Groupon to save money. Don't try to go to Groupon first, and then you end up spending more money than you really should have. Now, who does what by when? Who, that's you, does what? Open up Groupon the next time you're going on an activity to see if you can save money. By when? Next week. And that's bags of money.